Okay, good morning. This is another TCOS update for January the 7th, 22. And in this we also look at, in general, tropical cyclone forecast. I may have some unnatural pauses today because I've got some bad teeth after yesterday. There was well, they worked on one of the teeth over here, and all of the other ones in the left-hand side of my mouth have been hurting like hell. But the one he actually worked on is fine, so I don't understand any of that. Anyway, let's take a look at the GFS for the Atlantic, which obviously will be quiet on a tropical standpoint. Big extratropical cyclone there. Actually hits the British Isles, and then another one sweeping up through Atlantic Canada. But for tropics, well, we've still got this little thing here. What on earth is that? And that is actually coming into the 5-day period. So let's have a look at the simulated IR satellite on that one. And what does that look like? It doesn't look like a subtropical storm there, but it's close. It's close. Well, whilst we're here then, let's see if we can get a phase diagram. Let's take a look at that one. This is quite interesting. Well, there you go actually. So it's showing there that it doesn't get to tropical. No warm core, not quite, it's close, and down there as well. Okay, so I'm satisfied that that is not a tropical cyclone or a subtropical cyclone, but it is an interesting feature that nearly makes it, and even that might require a 10% down the line. Eastpac then, let's take a look at the 5-day period there. Nothing, as you would expect. The Central Pacific, another whole lot of nothing. The Western Pacific, over here, nope, it's all lit up in the extratropics there once again. Nothing going on down there in the tropical zone. Pardon me. The Indian Ocean, showing nothing much. There's a little rotation there later on in the 5-day period. But the Southwest Indian Ocean remains quiet as ever. And the area towards Australia too. Southwest Pacific. So, Seth moved inland. And that, I'm pleased to say, is now gone. So, we'll eat it up. Oh, now what's it doing? Oh, there we go. Okay, so Seth is gone. Just sort a few things out here. Now then, the areas that we're looking at now. B1, which is the this one near Fiji. Looking interesting there, and actually it looks decent on satellite too. Can't be that far away from becoming a TC. It's still attached to a front there, but yeah, approximately 35 miles an hour, 1003 millibars on that model initialization, and currently located at, I've just saw it on satellite here, 18 south, 174 east. Looking on the forecast, that's more impressive now. Although it does struggle a fair bit. So it looks good. So we're going to put that up to 40%. And we get a new color there. 40% on that. And the TCOS score will have gone up a little bit. Not that much, but just a little, to 5 points. The other potential TC might actually be traceable now. It would be at around 11 south, 146 east. Oops. 11 south, 146 east. Oh dear. I'm not sure if it's traceable yet. There's a little thing up there. Go on then, we'll put it in the white zone. Oh god, it's doing something now. Now I've got to sit here and wait for a few minutes whilst this thing doesn't. Anyway, looking at the TCOS forecast there. Sorry, what am I talking about? The model run, it actually has it lingering around the same area there, south of Papua New Guinea, which is interesting, but it does stay out to sea, so it doesn't end up doing much, and actually its score will remain very low. We'll keep it for now at 20%, because there seems to be a lot of uncertainty around. Oh god, a lot of uncertainty around that. I don't know what's going on today. The Southeast Pacific, looking at this area, pretty dead. The lovely South American region, what's Marina going to designate today? Nothing, hopefully. That system there, just off the screen, that I drew attention to once or twice, probably not going to be anything there, shouldn't be. And our good old Mediterranean Sea, nothing coming up there, which is good. Get that massive wind jet there coming from a storm that will affect Iceland later on. And just for my peace of mind, what are the temperatures looking like in the UK over the next week? Wintry actually, yeah, average for January. High temperatures around 5 or 6 Celsius, low temperatures at around 1, where I live at least. Rest of Europe is pretty chilly. Although that's an interesting little thing there. You see how France and Germany and northern Spain and the continent, just look at all that freezing on the morning of January the 13th, and yet the cold places, Denmark, Sweden, Norway, Finland, is 4 or 5 degrees. That's an interesting setup there. Anyway, that's not what we're talking about today. That is the end of our TCOS update, 11 AM as of January the 7th. Let's just check the demand factor. It'll have gone down a little bit. And oh, there we go, it's gone down more. So 4 and 1, pretty quiet then right now. There we are. A dead tropics yields a dead TCOS. Is that our new catchphrase? Have a good day. I'll be back again, same time.